Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hedging Lee with a morning update for Bitcoin. I believe Bitcoin is very likely in a upside bull market, which will be still fested with corrections. It has to. Nothing goes straight up. And speaking of corrections, we may have a small one coming up. For any one of you who are holding Bitcoins from a either hodl or semi-hodl or very long-term perspective, none of this short-term wiggles and squiggles of price matter. It is I am providing the short-term only to give the perspective to the long-term. There are also two segments of people who rely on the analysis that I provide to help augment their due diligence. One will be, let's say, the long-termers. And then the second one will be the swing traders, and maybe the third segment within that will be day traders. Therefore, I try and see if I can provide the analysis to meet the needs of those segments. So, the short term here shows that probably wave 3 is complete, and most likely wave three's subwave from 2 to 3 have been mapped out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A lot of lines, so let me get rid of some of the lines. So I think 1, 2, the blue, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, the subwaves of 3 are complete. And if that's the case, then wave 4 will probably lead to a minor correction in the range of somewhere between 8,400 to 8,300 or so. Yesterday I said there's a very good likelihood of this to break or hit 9,000, and darn it, it sure did it. Not too shabby. And after this minor correction will be wave 5. I don't know exactly what modality this wave 4 will be. Elliott wave has the rule of alternation between wave 2 and wave 4. Wave 2 was pretty simple. That means if wave 2 was simple, maybe wave 4 will be a little more sideways or complex. But unlike the equities, I haven't really found the cryptos to really adhere to that rule of alternation because it has a bit of a different personality, I think. For example, here's wave 2 here, very simple and very quick. Here's wave 4, very simple, ABC, ABC. It didn't alternate. That's pretty much what I'm trying to say here. So it may be very simple, just like wave 1 was, ABC, and then go straight up to 5. And on the bigger perspective, recall yesterday I provided the head and shoulders outline, the inverted head and shoulders. So after wave 5, there will be a correction, probably back down to 82, 8,300 again, $1,000 drop. At which point, some may be panicking, thinking, oh, the resumption of the downtrend to a lower low is happening, and that is very likely for people's sentiment on a temporary perspective to turn that way. But the Elliott wave perspective provides a higher degree of awareness, I think. Because if you know you're on wave 5 and you're a day trader or swing trader, you'll be taking some profits. But from the pattern of this, we may do an inverted head and shoulders. However, the higher degree of trend also shows that this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they become subwaves to higher degree wave 1. And the correction will be wave 2. And what happens after that? You get a big wave 3 coming. and that'll probably be in sometime in May. Okay, I hope you found this to be helpful. I hope it augments your due diligence. Have a great day.